I live in a house. A house is divided into different rooms. My house has 3 bedrooms. My mom and dad sleep in 1 bedroom. My sister sleeps in 1 bedroom. My brothers and I share the other bedroom. There are closets in all of the bedrooms. We keep our clothes in the closets. In my house, there is a living room. There is a couch, 2 chairs, a coffee table and a television set in the living room. My family watches television there every night. My house has a kitchen. In the kitchen, there is a stove and a refrigerator. My mom cooks dinner there every day. We have a dining room. There is a dining table and chairs in there. My house has a big bathroom. There is a toilet, sink and bathtub in the bathroom. There is also a shower in the bathroom. My house does not have the 2nd floor. We also have a front yard and a backyard. My backyard has a swimming pool and a vegetable garden. My family likes our house. My grandparents are coming to visit us. My father is very happy because they are his parents, and he is glad that he will see them. We don't see them very often because they are busy. My grandparents have 2 sons, my father and my Uncle David. Uncle David is married to Aunt Lynn. They have a daughter who is my cousin. They also have a son who is the same age as me. He is my favorite cousin because we both like the same television shows and the same games. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. They are twins, so they have the same birthday. People say that my sister and I look alike. We both have blonde hair and big eyes. My mother's parents live near us. They are the grandmother and grandfather who visit us often. My mother does not have any brothers or sisters. She is an only child. I like it when all my family is together. I don't have a lot of cousins like some people do, but I have fun with my relatives. My uncle will often take my cousin and me to the movies. I like to take my grandparents for walks so that they can see my school, and they can meet my friends. We are a very close-knit family. People who have close families are very lucky.